If your headlights are looking hazy or fogged over, you can clean them using a few simple supplies to get them looking new again. First, wash your headlights with soapy water and let them dry. Then, apply painter's tape around the perimeter of each headlight so you don't accidentally damage the surrounding paint. For a quick fix, apply toothpaste to a damp cloth and buff the toothpaste into each headlight for about 5 minutes. Toothpaste is mildly abrasive, and it can help remove any buildup on your headlights. Rinse off each headlight with water and let them air dry. You can also try using baking soda and vinegar. Mix 2 parts white vinegar with 1 part baking soda, and rub the mixture into each headlight with a cloth for a few minutes. Rinse your headlights with water and repeat if needed. For really hazy headlights, try wet sanding them. First, wet the headlights and some 1000 grit sandpaper with water. Then, sand each headlight using horizontal strokes for 5 to 10 minutes, keeping the sandpaper wet at all times. Repeat with 2000 grit and then 3000 grit sandpaper, changing the direction you sand in each time. Finally, polish and wax your headlights to really make them shine.